Hi guys, I'm Jenny. In this video, I'll show you how to download macOS Sequoia in 4 different formats, including the app installer, the PKG file, the DMG file, and the ISO file. To get them, you simply need to click this link, which directs you to an article that covers all of them. For example, if you want the macOS Sequoia ISO file, you can get it here by clicking this link. You can download macOS Sequoia ISO file directly to your Mac. And for the DMG file, you can get it from Google Drive or Mediafire. And then for the macOS Sequoia app installer, you can get it from the App Store by searching it in the search bar. And for the PKG file, you can download it from Apple servers. This article has all the links listed. You can choose the update you want. For example, the latest one is macOS Sequoia 15.5. You just click this link and click Save, and then the download will start. Now let's talk about the differences between the formats. First, the app installer. This is the actual application that performs the macOS Sequoia installation. So if you have a Mac that's compatible with macOS Sequoia and you want to upgrade to it, you can get the app installer from the Mac App Store. So simply search for it and then click the Get button. And this will direct you to the software update panel where it will check your Mac's eligibility for macOS Sequoia. If it's not compatible, it won't allow you to download it. And that's where the PKG format comes in. So this is a container that holds the app installer. So after you download it, you have to actually run it to place the actual app installer into your applications folder. And then we have the DMG file. This is the app installer in a disk image format. So basically, it has a similar function as the apps installer. So if you want to update your Mac or create a bootable disk, you can get the DMG file as well. And lastly, we have the ISO file. This is also a disk image file, but it's not for macOS. It's used to install macOS Sequoia on a virtual machine like VMware on a Windows PC. If you just want to download the macOS Sequoia DMG file or create a bootable USB installer for macOS Sequoia, I recommend you use iBoysoft DiskGeeker for Mac. This tool has a library of macOS DMG files ready for your download. You can simply select macOS 15 Sequoia from the list of available DMG files, and then click the Get button or the Download Image button to get your macOS Sequoia DMG file. This tool also allows you to create a bootable USB installer for macOS Sequoia and other macOS versions. You can click the Create Boot Disk button in the shortcut, and then select your external drive and follow the instruction on the screen to create the boot drive.